In this class, we are going to learn how to develop a signature pad in your Visual Builder application. With signature pad, I mean if you are building an application which is involving a transportation of a goods or some product or a courier, then at the time of delivery or when the courier reaches at the point of destination or some target, then you have to take the signature of the person whoever has received the courier. At that time, you will be needing their signature, like here I am putting some dummy signature. And if you want to preserve this signature in some database or some repository, or even if I click on this confirm, there is an option we can generate a file, that is a PNG file, and we can send this file, that is an image file, over a WhatsApp or some other applications as a proof of delivery. And if you want to just clear the signature, you can just click on the reset. So we can reset this signature and take a new signature if you want. We will learn in detail how to develop the same in your Visual Builder application, suppose if you have such kind of use case. I have created a simple application. Now before going ahead with the use case, I will tell you what is the source using which I have developed this application. So there is a blog available over here, that is in the website pspdfkit.com. That is how to add a signature pad using JavaScript. If you just scroll down, they are telling we just need a JavaScript library over here, and then we need a canvas we have to use, that is a canvas HTML tag. So you can learn more about the canvas HTML tag in W3 schools or any other platforms. Then we need to have a JavaScript function created within which we are just pulling this canvas with the help of this ID, and we are generating this signature pad. Then on click of the button, we can save the file like how I have done over here. I'm saving this file in a PNG file. Also, you can save this file in a PDF or binary format in the database or object storage, any other places wherever is your use case. So this is the base of my application based on which I have created my Visual Builder app. Now without wasting much time, let's see how I have built the Visual Builder application. First and the foremost thing, I have imported the signature pad library. If you see over here, it's over here, that is the JS file. So this is the first and the foremost thing we have to do. Then what I have done is I have made use of the canvas over here. If I show you over the structure on the left hand side, here there is a canvas I have used, and ID I am using the signature pad. If I go to the code view, so this is just a div segment. I'm doing nothing over here, just added a canvas, and then I am adding a OJ panel. So because of that, you are seeing these rounded corners of a panel around this canvas. So this is the one thing what you have to do. Then I have dropped a couple of buttons, and based on the click of the button, I am performing some actions. So this is the first thing as per this block, that is importing the JS file and then adding the canvas HTML tag. Next, coming to the JavaScript part, what I have done is I have created a event listener, that is a VB enter event. So this action chain will be triggered whenever the application loads or the page loads. So what I'm doing is I have created this init signature, that is a JavaScript function. Let me go to the function. I'm taking the instance of the signature pad. So whatever JS library what I have imported in my application, that I'm referring over here. Suppose if you are adding the JS file as part of this index.html, then you don't have to refer to that with this define. Directly you can address that signature pad class. So here I'm creating a signature pad instance. Whatever they have mentioned, I'm doing the same over here. That is, I'm getting the element which is having the ID, that is signature pad. Then I'm creating an instance of that. Next, once you have initiated this signature pad library on the page load, next is when the user writes something on the screen like this and clicks on the confirm button. What we are doing is, on click of the confirm button, I have created one event. Let me just go to the event. So what it does is it is going to call this JavaScript function, that is confirm. Let me just go to this function. So what it does is it will convert the data to a URL. So next, what I'm doing is, in order to download the URL, I have created one more function which will convert it as a click of a link. Then it will save to my computer. Like here, when I just clicked on this confirm button, it saved the PNG file. So this I'm achieving with this function that is over here. This is a piece of code. You can get a easier method to download the file to your computer using lot of solutions available in the Stack Overflow or GitHub. So this is for the demonstration purpose I have used. So if you know a better solution, you can use a one-line code as well in order to download the file. Next, this line what I have written is, it is used to return the image as a binary, so that you can save this information in a database, that is a blob column or some other places which supports storing binary files as a string. Next, coming to the last part, clicking on this clear button. So if the user notice that they have put a wrong signature and they want to capture a new signature, then they can just reset and they can add the new signature. So on click of the reset button, what it does is it will call this clear function, that is a JavaScript function, and it will clear the instance of the signature pad, so that the signature pad instance will be cleared and it will be available for capturing the new signature. So suppose if your requirement is something like this, wherein you are developing a web application using Visual Builder app, wherein you have to capture the signature on delivery of a good courier or something like that, then this solution you can make use in your implementation.